So now let's see how to work with arrangement and alignment options that Canva provides us with. So for that, I'm just going to bring in some graphics right over here, as you can see. Let me just resize them as well over here. So once I bring in the graphics, you can see that over here on the top right hand side, you have the position, you have the copy style, you have transparency and other options that you can access. The way to work with these is the same with images as well. So you can follow along the same process if you're working with images as well. So now over here, you can see that this is the graphics that I have. So now you can see that I can work around with position. So the first option right over here is duplicate. So I can duplicate this out, and what that does is it makes a copy of the graphics that you're working with. So let's say I want to make a duplicate of this. I'm going to click over here and it creates a duplicate of the graphics, as you can see right over here. Once I do that, the other option I have is lock right over here, as you can see. So let's say I don't want to edit this graphics. I can simply select this graphics right over here and click on lock. And now I'm not able to edit this graphics anymore, as you can see right over here. So I can edit other graphics, but not this one. So if you want to prevent yourself from accidentally editing some graphics that you don't want to edit, you can simply lock them out. You can also go over here and click on the lock icon again to unlock that out, and now you'll be able to edit that graphics as usual over there. If you want to delete a graphics, then you can simply click on it and then click on this dustbin icon right here. So these are three of the options we talked about so far. The other option we have is link. So if I were to click on link, you can see that you can actually enter a URL right here. So I'm going to type in like http://www.udemy.com, just like this. And once I click apply, the link has been associated with this graphics right over here. So the link is here, and this is useful when you export this as a web page, an interactive web page, which you can do as well. And this graphics will be editable over there. Another thing you have is the transparency option. So you can go to transparency and reduce this out. Seems like everything is fading away, but this is actually becoming transparent. That means you can see through the graphics right over here, as you can see. So you can work around with the transparency right over here and see through the graphics underneath it right over there. There's other option over here as well, that is you can copy the style and then you can click on the other graphics right over here and paste the style. Copy and paste the style right here, and that color will be pasted, as you can see right over here. So depending on how much of the styles the other graphics support, it'll copy and paste out the style if you use this option right over here. The other option you have is position, that is for alignment. So I have three graphics, as you can see, which is not aligned well. Now I can select all of them and then I can position them out, as you can see right over here. So I can position them onto the top. Let me just press Ctrl Z so it goes back. Again, I can center them out as well. I can get it down to bottom as well. I can left align it, I can center align it, or right align it. I can also horizontally manage them out, as you can see, or vertically manage them out equally, as you can see. So these are some handy features that are available right over here. So I can simply go over here onto the position, I can center them out, get it to the bottom, top, and left. So if I only select one, then that is the option that I'm provided with. And that is the arrangement and alignment options that we have in Canva to work with graphics.